new build, which is going to be built with 3D technology to build fast, cool, small, durable, and affordable homes. Thanks to legislation introduced by our Councilwoman Stephanie House-Jones, the City of Cleveland approved $500,000 to us to do due diligence, a business plan, and build 2 pilot homes. Thanks to 3D leaders, Pantheon and Black Buffalo are both here today for your help in planning and this exhibit. So 3D printing can produce any shape, style, or size of a home. Seiss and Bonded did this render of what we envisioned for our 3D homes. Functional, artful, and I'd say even elegant. We hope this is the housing of the future for LMM to build with partners and technology we share.